We had a great weekend up near Kenilworth, touring the tracks of the Conondale National Park and the Imbil State Forest. We stayed at Kookaburra Park, a great family-friendly camping park and animal sanctuary 10 minutes from Kenilworth. The Friday evening barbecue was a great way to catch up with everybody.
So thank you for coming and supporting another 4x4 event. It's been some year and it's great to be back out here enjoying it, obviously back with you guys. So thanks to all the team. They've been working hard for the last couple of days and we think we've got the tracks up and ready for you guys to enjoy tomorrow.
Kookaburra Park had plenty of activities for the kids, including feeding the resident animals. Everyone was buzzing, ready for a great day testing their four-wheel drives. The Motorama 4x4x4 team gathered their groups together as they prepared to hit the tracks.
So we're going to head out on the trails today. The trail we're heading out on is a lot closer to camp. It's literally at the bottom of the range where we start going up through the windy bits there.
Our trip leaders have loads of off-road experience and are keen to answer all of your questions. We guided guests across various terrains and plenty of fun was had by all. Saturday night, the team hosted spooky festivities with some great Halloween activities for the kids, including face painting, outdoor movies, and a spooky disco. The team put on a huge roast dinner with live music to follow, including Tanya Kernaghan. And you can't go past camping without having a great big campfire. If you've recently purchased a four-wheel drive from Motorama and are keen to get into the four-wheel drive lifestyle, learn your vehicle's capabilities and be part of a great community, make sure you keep up to date with future trips with Motorama 4x4x4.